So cabinets are an important piece of storage that you can use in your kitchens, in your workshops, such as this craftsman here, really anywhere in the house. They are useful tools. And so we're going to take a look at how to make some nice reinforced cabinets here. So this craftsman is starting with this kind of thicker piece of wood, and what we're actually doing is we're creating a divot on the end and in the middle of it, and these are going to be the areas where we fit our other sides of the shelving unit. Kind of all piece it together. Then we're going to take those pieces that we're going to stick into those divots we just made, and we're going to drill some nice holes into the sides of them using this very specialized tool that just makes a nice clean look for your cabinets. So we're going to start with the side here, make sure everything's nice and level and flush, and then we're going to go to the middle. And placing these pieces of wood inside these divots that we cut really just helps to reinforce it and to also just give it a nice 90-degree angle. You don't want cabinets that are a little bit wobbly or warped. This just helps bring a nice sturdy design to your cabinets that you're making. Next, we need to start working on the area that the cabinet is going to hang off of. So we're taking this 2x4 and we're just using a nice planer to level it out. And then we are trimming that 2x4 into these little angled pieces here. And these are going to fit nicely on the side of our cabinet, but first we're going to sand down any rough edges and install the hinges for the cabinet doors that will come a little later on. Now we're going to angle this piece of wood here, and this is actually going to be our cabinet door eventually. So we're going to take these angled pieces of wood that we made earlier, and we're actually going to use some special tools to make sure that the cabinet does not fall out of this brick wall here, because that's the last thing you want. A very nice cabinet that you made with very expensive equipment inside to topple over can be harmful to your stuff, and it can also be very dangerous to yourself if you are anywhere near it. Now we're just adding the finishing touches with some magnets, and that looks amazing.